Waste disposal trains are the only vehicles that go all the way to the surface.
Yeah, but they don't allow passengers. Their trains are autonomous.
Yeah, that's the won't be easy part.
It's perfect. We'll be safe inside the train.
That's the last one. Send her up.
Hold up. One more. I'll lock it down. Thanks for being an idiot, whoever you are. Turning you in will definitely get me promoted back up a rank or two.
Got him! No, wait. Alita, stop!
Orion?
Hold on, let me...
Security! Sound the alarm!
She's headed to the engine! Don't worry, I got this. Hold on, let me explain. We're on a mission.
So am I! To ruin your life!
Alita, wait. We found a message. You know... This bot is crazy! Who is she? Dead end, Alita. No way... well, she's gone. Why am I doing this? I'm faster!
Beautiful.
The surface.
It's beautiful.
I am speechless. Alita, listen to me. We know where the matrix of leadership is.
Oh, sure. And I'm really a prime. I just prefer loading crates of toxic waste. Whoa. Where did you get this?
For my friend Steve, Orion killed
I
him.
did not kill Steve.
He was never alive.
What?
Look, the Sentinel told us he was going to the surface, and then we found this message. We figured that we could hand deliver it to him or scout the locations ourselves. Whichever comes first. This was too important to wait. It will change all of our lives.
No. I'm not going to get demoted again because of you. I'm turning this rig around and I'm notifying the
guys,
pop-off.
guys, what is that? Is it getting bigger?
Or closer.
Don't close, stop closing. It's closed!
Oh, come on!
Oh, now I know why no one comes to the surface!